How to make money with GetResponse affiliate program for beginners. Overview of GetResponse affiliate program offers 2 commission options. Recurring program, earn 33% commission monthly for the lifetime of a customer. Bounty program, one-time $100 commission per referral. Potential earnings with recurring commissions. Example, referring 100 customers paying $25 a month yields $825 monthly or $10,000 annually in passive income. Long-term benefits, $50,000 over 5 years from 100 referrals versus $10,000 with the Bounty program. Recommended approach focus on the recurring program for sustained long-term income. Build momentum by consistently referring customers. Traffic generation strategies, YouTube. Create tutorials, reviews, or comparisons of email marketing tools. Blogging. Use SEO to attract traffic. Write about email marketing topics and include affiliate links. Cost of entry low investment. YouTube is free and blogging costs around $10 per year. Case study of successful referrals. Example, a YouTube video with 12,000 views could result in 200-300 signups. Consistent efforts can lead to significant monthly traffic and earnings. Personal insights from the creator. Previously earned significant commissions through GetResponse, but now promotes high-paying affiliate products for better returns. Uses GetResponse as an autoresponder to build email lists and promote affiliate products. Paid traffic for higher earnings recommends. Paid traffic for faster results and higher commissions. Promoting high-ticket affiliate products can generate $10,000 a month with just 5-10 sales. Call to action encourages viewers to click the link in the description for in-depth training on affiliate marketing and maximizing earnings.